Hi guys, welcome to AWS DBA. In this session, we are going to see how we can tagging Amazon RDS resources. Session, we are going to see adding, listing, and removing tags. The navigation pane, choose databases, choose the name of the DB instance that you want to add the tag. In the DB instance page, choose tag tab. In this page, choose add tags. Enter a value for tag key and value. To add another tag, you can choose add another tag and enter a value for tag key and value. Repeat these steps as many times as necessary and choose add. Now we are seeing the list of tags for this DB instance. To delete a tag from DB instance, in the navigation pane, choose databases, choose the database name. Do you want to delete the tags? In the DB instance page, choose the tag tab, choose the tag do you want to delete, choose delete, then choose delete in the delete tags window. Now all tags are deleted. For increasing DB instance storage capacity, you can refer next video in my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and refer to your friends.